Your Excellency, today we have left it to Duale to be the truth person. And we want to say that, Honorable Duale, you have done us proud, because putting to account for the record is good for this country. The people of this country for a long time have been very uncomfortable with the truth. Very uncomfortable. Most of them have a few problems with us because of being truthful. As we have just spoken, we have put nothing on record. At least Honorable Duale has started putting it on record. It's the right thing to do. And Your Excellency, I will not be writing anything shortly because I don't think Kenya is ready yet for me to put on record what I need to do. I think let me allow Professor Kindiki, the Attorney General, Papa Aroma, a few people to get, it's a gradual thing, to get Kenyans to get used to the truth. In another 2, 3, 4 years, when I assess, Your Excellency, with your guidance, that these Kenyans need to hear the story on the difficult journey of the ascendancy of President William Ruto to the presidency and the futile attempts to stop him. We'll record that when the time comes. And it will be interesting. Your Excellency, what the Honorable Duale has done is a very big step in our attempts to bring to an end the politics of deceit, conmanship and betrayal. Because conmen and betrayers fear being called out. So I think it's a good practice.